Hello everyone, welcome to Arju Yoga Sadhana. I am Arju. As we spend more and more time on our screen, our eyes tends to become very dry and stressed. Excessive screen time can also cause our eye muscle weak, which often lead to headache. Nowadays, in this COVID, we all are taking online class, so that whole day we have to face screen and our eyes become very dry and stressed. So, today in this video, we will do some simple eye yoga that will help in relieving the stress and stretching the eyes muscle. You can easily do it while taking break between your work. So now, if you are ready, then let's get in. Come to a comfortable sitting position with your spine straight and gently close your eyes. We will now start our first exercise, which is blinking. Start blinking your eyes in quick succession for about 20 seconds. Keep breathing as you do this. We often forget to blink as we concentrate on our work, especially on our screens. Blinking helps in keeping our eyes moist, reduce tension, and increase circulation. Now close your eyes, relax your breath, face, and eye muscles. Open your eyes without moving your head, gaze up towards the ceiling. Then slowly move your gaze to your right side. Then look down. And finally look towards your left side. Let's join all these 4 points and circle your eyes in clockwise direction, tracing as large a circle as possible. Gently focus on object in your periphery as you make the movement smooth and fluid. Try not to move your head and keep breathing. Then close your eyes and relax. Let's do the same eye movement in anti-clockwise direction. Try to make the circle as large as possible. You can also coordinate your breath with the movement. As your eyes move upward, breathe in, and as they move downwards, exhale. Keep your face muscle relaxed. Close your eyes and relax. Gently open your eyes. Bring arms to the shoulder level with thumbs pointing up. Then look towards the right thumb. Again gaze. Look towards the tip of the left thumb. Let's do this side to side movement. We can also coordinate our breath. As you exhale, look to the right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. Keep going on as you focus on your breath and eye movement. Slowly close your eyes and relax. Our second last exercise going to be focus shifting. Open your eyes, hold one arm straight out in front of you with thumb pointing up. Focus on the tip of the thumb while keeping your eyes focused on it. Slowly move the thumb towards the nose until you can no longer focus clearly on it. Pause for a breath and then slowly lengthen the arm back to its original out straight position. While maintaining the focus on the thumb, keep your focus on thumb and keep breathing. You can also take a break to close your eyes for a breath if you feel too much strain or your eyes start watering. This is perfectly normal as watering of eye is a natural cleansing mechanism. We will do it for 5 times. This is great for strengthening the eye muscles and for relieving headache, which is happen because of the excessive straining of the eye muscles. Two more. Last one. Bring your arms down. Close your eyes and relax. Now finally bring both your palms together in front and start rubbing them together till you feel heat between the palms. Gently cup your palm and place them over the eyelids. Do not touch the eyelid directly but hold the hands slightly and allow them to form a curtain of darkness in front of the eyes. Envision the eye absorbing the darkness while also welcoming the healing warmth from the hands. I hope you enjoy this practice, which you can do daily. Keep your eyes strong and healthy. Slowly open your eyes. See you soon in next video. Till now, bye bye.